Jackie Navarro! As you can see naman, pak na pak ang ating makeup look. And we have our background. Nakikita nyo naman, 2021. So, today is January. Today is December 1st. Sorry, ano ba yan? Take Today is December 31, 2020. So, we will end na the 2020 and say hello to 2021. As you can see, this is our, yes, you are right, this is our holiday makeup look. Coming year, it's ox, metallic ox. That's why we wear something glittery. Parang metallic ang dating. Kaya naman, ito ang aking nasuot na makeup na suot. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, just keep on watching. Happy New Year, everyone!
Before we start, we have to prep our skin, starting with toner. Let's use some Velcro to put away all that baby hair. To bring back the moisture of our skin, let's moisturize using CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. After moisturizing, I would like to apply some face serum. This is from Roger Kiss. Now we are ready to start with the makeup. This is my favorite foundation as of the moment, the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Matte Foundation. You have to try this. This foundation is amazing. It's full coverage and it's matte. I forgot my blending sponge, so I'm using my finger here to blend the foundation. As you can see, the coverage is just amazing. I don't have to use any concealer. As you can see, it can already cover dark spots and uneven skin tone. And this is just the first layer. Look at the coverage. Next is our eyebrows, and I'm using Maybelline eyebrow pencil. The shade is gray brown. Start with the inner corner of your eyebrows and work towards the tail of your eyebrows. Make sure that you blend it really well and make sure that your hands are very lightweight. Just fill in any gaps and also brush your eyebrows to blend it well. Look at the difference. Looks natural. Next is eyeshadow, and I'm using Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. And I'll be using my Tarte Duo blending brush, and I will use this shade right here. This is like grayish brown as a base. When dipping your brush onto the eyeshadow, make sure to top off any excess just to prevent fallouts that would ruin your foundation. On this part, I like to blend the eyeshadow upwards or away from the eyes towards the tail of the eyebrows, just to give you that cut eye or lifted effect. And then apply the eyeshadow under your eyes using the same shade that you apply on your eyelid. This is just to open the eyes even more. Up next is this eyeshadow right here. This is like warm brown with some glitters, and I will apply that using my finger on the eyelid. This is one of my favorite shade from the palette. As you can see, it's a nice warm brown and it has a hint of glitters. Using the same blending brush that we used earlier, I did not put any eyeshadow anymore. I just want to blend the edges just to remove all the harsh lines. Now for the fun part, this is from B. I got this from Eve and Boy. I'm not sure if that's B, so this is 06. This is a nice glitter. However, you just have to be careful with this one because it has a lot of fallout. So make sure that you use your fingertip to apply, and look at that, it's so pigmented. The glitters are a little bit chunky, but that's okay. Ta-da! So this is what I'm telling you. Look at the fallouts on my face. To open up the eyes even more and to look more awake, I like to apply any skin tone or white eyeliner on the lower eyes. And for the eyeliner, which I'm very excited about, this is the Fabulous You Perfect Wings 2-in-1 waterproof stamp and eyeliner. So please guys, support me. This is my very own product. This is Perfect Wings. This is waterproof and smudge proof. This is perfect for beginners. So if you don't know how to put tungkil or wing eyeliner or that cat eye, this is just perfect for you. So easy, you just have to stamp it and line and you will have that amazing cat eye. The brush is really soft and it's very precise. As you can see, you can even apply thin lines or even thick lines. Look at that, amazing. And for the mascara, I'll be using Maybelline Colossal, so just apply it on the upper lash and don't forget the lower lash. Another gorgeous product from Fabulous You is this magnetic lashes and eyeliner set, and today I'll be using the style Cat Eye. This style is my personal fave, and this is the magnetic eyeliner, so shake it well before applying. This eyeliner is also waterproof and it's very black. It would really last you until the next day. Let the magnetic eyeliner dry for about 2 minutes, and while we are waiting for that to dry up, we will start with the blush. This is Sephora Vivid Earth. Shout out to Dre for giving this to me. So let's start with the contour. So don't forget to contour your cheekbones and contour the jawline. Make sure that you blend it really well. As you can see, the difference, the other side is more lifted and more contoured. Also contour the forehead. So to give you that smaller frame or smaller face, let's contour the forehead. Now that our magnetic eyeliner is dry, we are now ready to pop the magnetic lashes. As you can see, it's so easy to apply in 1, 2, 3. Bam, you're finished, done. Look at the difference. It looks amazing. It looks really natural. It's not heavy at all. It has 5 small magnets on these lashes. That's why it will hold in place. It will not fall off. You can party all day and it's still gonna be there. I just love these magnetic lashes. Let's continue with the blush, and I'll be using this pink blush right here. So from the cheeks, working it upward towards the temple and on the bridge of the nose. Make sure to top off your brush just to avoid fall off, and make sure that you work little by little. Don't put too much blush. You can put few first, and then if you're not satisfied, then you can add a little bit more. If you don't know, this is my favorite part of my makeup routine. Highlight. Don't forget to highlight the cheekbone just above the blush on and then underneath the eyebrows. Look at that. It's so amazing. Your skin look healthier, just like Korean skin, and it gives you that wonderful, amazing glow. Don't forget to highlight the Cupid's bow just above your lips and also your chin. Of course, to get that smaller and taller nose, let's contour the nose using the same eyeshadow shade that I used to warm up the crease of my eyes. Now, I'd like to start under the inner part of the eyebrows, working it downwards towards the nostril. Using the same blush palette, let's highlight the nose. Just imagine that you will draw an exclamation point like, hello, my nose. So look at that, it made your nose even taller. And don't forget to highlight the inner corner of your eyes so that your eyes would look awake and open. For the lips, I'd like to create an ombre effect. So just grab any red lipsticks you have and then just spread it using your finger. Next is just grab any nude lip gloss that you have. Right here I'm using Super Shade and just apply it on top of your red lipstick. Mostly apply it on the outer part of the lips. And we're done! Look at the makeup, it looks amazing. So our outer first. So I decided to curl my hair, so let's go ahead and blow it dry first.
That's it for our vlog. I hope you guys enjoy the simple makeup tutorial. You can use this on your next event or any event. Actually, it's super easy, very minimal makeup lang, and you still look fabulous, you still look good. So I hope you guys like it, and I will see you again on our next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, and I hope this 2021 is going to be a good year for all of us. This is the time that we know. I hope it's going to be we're going to be back to our normal life. Ayan. So happy new year, and I love you guys. Have a great year. I love you. Please subscribe.